In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user profile in Microsoft Edge browser. This should be a pretty straightforward process. Now let's go ahead and open the Microsoft Edge. And now just go to the 3 points located at the top right of the screen. Scroll down, now click on Settings. And after that, just make sure you are on the Profile tab, or just go ahead and click on it. And now you will see your profile you have here, as you can see. If you want to delete it, just go ahead, click on this bin right here. And this window will pop up basically saying to remove this profile. This will permanently delete browsing data, history, and passwords. Now just remove the profile, click on it. And this was a pretty straightforward process, easy and quick. And that's how to delete user profile in Microsoft Edge browser. As always, thank you for watching.